To send money from India to Thailand, you need to follow a step-by-step process. First, you need to choose a suitable method for transferring funds, such as a bank transfer, online money transfer service, or a currency exchange office. Each method has its own benefits and fees, so it is essential to compare the rates and fees before making a decision. For instance, bank transfers are generally more secure, but they can take longer and involve higher fees. Online money transfer services, on the other hand, are often faster and cheaper. Once you have chosen a method, you need to gather the necessary information, including the recipient's name, address, and bank account details. If you are using an online service, you will need to create an account and verify your identity. After verifying your account, you can initiate the transfer by entering the recipient's details and the amount you want to send. You will also need to choose the currency and payment method. The exchange rate will be applied, and you will see the amount the recipient will receive. Before confirming the transaction, make sure to check the fees and exchange rates one more time. Once you have confirmed the transaction, the money will be transferred to the recipient's account. The transfer time varies depending on the method and the service provider, but it usually takes a few hours or days. It is crucial to keep the transaction reference number for future reference and to track the status of the transfer. You should also inform the recipient about the transfer, so they can track the status and receive the money. In conclusion, sending money from India to Thailand is a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. By choosing the right method, gathering the necessary information, and verifying the account, you can ensure a smooth and secure transaction. Always compare the rates and fees, and check the exchange rates before confirming the transaction to get the best value for your money.